Hey everyone, welcome back in these uncertain times. I sincerely hope all of you are doing well. If you're staying home right now, I think one of the best ways you can do to spend your time is to educate yourself on stuff you enjoy doing. For me, that's HitFilm, and so today I have a short tutorial explaining how to do subtitles in HitFilm. For this technique, you'll need the text effect, which is built in HitFilm Pro, but it's also available in the Edit Starter Pack for HitFilm Express. It's only $10 and it comes with some really good features, so check it out with the link in the description. So here we are inside of HitFilm Pro 14, and this is the project file of the video you're currently watching. What we'll do first is create a new transparent plane layer, and I'll call it plane. You can call it whatever you want really, and then we'll add it above your project, and you want this to be set at the length you want your subtitles to last. Now we'll go into the effects panel and search for the text effect, and if we scroll down it should be in the generate tab. Drag it onto the transparent plane layer and you can see that there is text on screen right now. What you want to do is find a font that you like. For subtitles, you generally want a sans serif font, so for that I will use Arial, just because it looks nice. And you can change the font size to anything you want, but I think that the default 120 pixels is perfectly fine. Go into the position offset and change the Y value to something you like. You can either have it above the letterbox, have it on the letterbox, which I think I'll do right now. And those are the basic text settings. Of course, you can change around with the style, the color, opacity, and all that kind of stuff, but this is the basic text effect. Now, the thing that really drives making subtitles is having the ability to keyframe the text. And if we go over to this cross and click it, it will clear out the current text. And what we can do is click over here to start keyframing, click the A symbol, which allows you to edit the text. This is a subtitle over here. And now this is what it says. Of course you want your text to match what the talent is saying, but after every sentence you can simply go back and click on the A here, and you can set a new subtitle. And the keyframe is actually set a frame before the text appears. So I have the keyframe set on this frame right here, which is frame 52. And if I move my cursor with the period key, you can see that the text starts on frame 53, and that is where it starts. Now, if your talent is not saying anything, of course you want the text to disappear from screen, and that's actually very easy. Of course, you're still keyframing right here, but once you click the cross icon, it says clear text, and that means that it will clear out the text exactly as it says. And on the next frame, you can see that the text is gone. Now you can go a little bit forward and find a new sentence, and type it in here, okay, and you can see that on the next frame that text appears. So basically you can type in every single sentence, keyframe it to match what the person is saying, and voila, those are very simple subtitles. I really hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or on the HitFilm subreddit. And if you're currently stuck at home and just want to chat, you can shoot me a DM on either Twitter or Instagram at Jamie_Luik. The text is on screen right now. Take care. Bye-bye.